Selecting a cryptocurrency exchange is a crucial step in your journey into crypto trading. Here's an explanation of the process. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Research and reviews. Look for well-established exchanges with positive reviews from users. Check online forums, social media, and reputable review sites to gauge the community's sentiment. Security features. Prioritize exchanges with robust security measures, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for funds, and a history of handling security incidents effectively. Regulatory compliance. Ensure the exchange complies with relevant regulations in your jurisdiction. This adds an extra layer of protection for your investments. Consider exchange options, for example, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, MEX. Coinbase, known for its user-friendly interface, Coinbase is often recommended for beginners. It supports a variety of cryptocurrencies and has a secure reputation. Binance, one of the largest and most popular exchanges globally, Binance offers an extensive range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Kraken, a well-established exchange with a strong reputation for security, Kraken supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies and provides advanced trading options. MEX. Note, as of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about MEX. Please verify its reputation, security, and supported cryptocurrencies before considering it. Ensure the exchange supports your preferred cryptocurrencies. Check the available coins. Not all exchanges list the same cryptocurrencies. Verify that the exchange supports the specific coins you intend to trade or invest in. Market pairs. Ensure the exchange offers the trading pairs you need. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, make sure the exchange supports that specific pairing. Selecting a reputable exchange ensures a secure and reliable platform for your crypto activities. Remember to conduct thorough research and consider your specific trading needs before making a decision.